Thanks, Brent, for the opportunity. Happy to chat today. Dan Moore, Senior Director Ops Business, overseeing multiple vendor relationships and different parts of the CyrusOne operational business across the U.S. and happy to be talking to you today about our experience with Skanwear. So CyrusOne made a strategic decision to insource from our FM partner. So we had 300 plus partner members that we were insourcing, as well as we had about 85 active CyrusOne technician level folks. And so marry them together, and it's over 400 people that we needed to uniform in a very tight timeline with the quality uniform PPE solution with a partner. And this was our challenge, is to find someone that could not only meet all the demands and timelines and the effort, but do it with the quality product that is a long-term solution for CyrusOne.
Dan, I also wanted to ask, had you ever heard of Skanwear before? What led you down, looking at Skanwear and reaching out to us to kind of begin the initial discussions and the partnership?
No, it's a great question. So I personally hadn't. I've been overseeing an outsourced contract for the past 9 years. So I haven't been out on the market looking for uniform PPE suppliers. And so when this came up, thankfully, Skanwear has supported our EMEA operations. And so there was some familiarity there. We have some team members that have come from other co-location providers that have used Skanwear successfully in their past. So it all kind of came to a head, and we were able to get connected and really work out the details of our needs. I'm still in awe of Skanwear's ability to understand our needs, provide solutions, then through that, understanding our tight delivery times and sizing events and efforts needed, then the manufacturing, getting everything assembled and tailored and bagged and tagged for each individual across the 52 sites across the United States and different geographies. And so it was no small task, and the team came together with it was a team of professionals that knew exactly how to get the job done. This wasn't their first rodeo, or unlike us in some ways. And so we were able to partner with Skanwear and let you guys, as the professionals, kind of lead us down the path of what the most optimum solutions. I think some of the best things about the experience was your product offerings have different styles and shades and so much variety that it wasn't just a generic, you look like, customers would walk in thinking that we're going to change their oil, right? So these uniforms give you a different appearance. They're high quality. And the feedback from the team has been very positive on the look. Finding a partner that could also manage our full suite of PPE needs and services, from arc flash suits to arc flash suit maintenance, cleaning, electrical gloves, rubber gloves, leather gloves, the whole program. Just the vastness of the platform that Skanwear has access to is very appealing to CyrusOne, and we're excited to have a single partner supporting all aspects of our PPE and uniform program, so that it just makes it so much more easy. And again, I can't thank the Skanwear team enough. And through those other forums, I've tried to express our gratitude. But this was a tall task. And again, the professionalism, the quality, the project management, the logistics management, the communication were all top tier, and that led to a successful deployment and meeting our very restrictive timelines. And again, very happy team. You've got a partner in CyrusOne that's looking for long-term success for both of us. So it's been great. It's been a great experience, Brent, and we look forward to as we continue to grow in our industry and add more folks across the United States, they'll be proudly wearing the Skanwear solution.
Personally, for me, this was one of my first larger rollouts, and it goes to it's worth saying that it's been a true partnership. You and your team have been fantastic. I think with any partnership, I think communication is key. I know with this project we had weekly calls with the greater teams, and I know I personally really enjoyed going out to each and every site.